Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. This is the third video of the series where we are creating the Laravel portfolio project using this template by this person. And in this video, we are going to implement the add the fields to fillable and then configure the relationships between the tables. So let's just jump in. I'm gonna select all the fields and then not like this. Select them and copy them. Go to setting model and add them to fillable and separate them by comma, and we will have a semicolon at the end. And let's move on to the project. So for the projects we have title, image, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna copy these, come here to the project model, and I'm gonna add protected dollar fillable, add those things and separate them by comma, like this. And we need to descriptions as well. Let's go back to the projects model, copy the description, come here to and add that, format that, and let's go to the next one, that is tick stock. So we have name, image, and the URL. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the model protected, and then separate them by comma, and after that we have the about, copy the names, come here to the about model dollar fillable. So let's separate them by comma, and at the end we're gonna put the semicolon, and we're gonna make sure we have to add the boolean field as well, about page. We have education, maybe we can dynamic that as well. Like if I come here, just like we did for the experience, let's say you have multiple education degrees or diplomas, you can add them dynamically. So how about that? I think that's going to be interesting. Let's do it actually, because we are at the beginning stage. So education is going to have like title, diploma, and the task separated by comma. So education model, make model, education, add the migration and seeder. That is it. So in this thing, I can do it this way, but I think if we think about this, like we have only left the pronouns, education, languages, and fit, right? So what I can do, I can move this to the setting model and actually remove that model. So I'm gonna delete the about model because we don't need that anymore, and then go to the model itself, copy, as we have created the education model. I'm going to copy these things right here, like education degree, location, and achievements. And achievements going to be, let's make it a long string, long text actually. So location, this is going to be fine, right? Degree, location, achievements. Maybe we can provide the data as well, but in the template they haven't provided. Then where is the about? And these things are gonna move to the setting model. I'm gonna paste them right here and delete the about model. As I mentioned before, we're gonna be dynamic. So like whenever we need and we think this is the best approach, we're gonna follow that. So I'm gonna make them fillable as well. Go to education model, add protected dollar variable, and after that we have the text talk has done, the user, setting, and project, image. Let's add the image model. So I'm gonna copy. Also we can, I think, add a title as well. Like if I come here to the images, whatever you have a title, or if you like hover over this image, you will see like a title. How about that? So let's add that image title. So this is going to be displayed when you hover over the image. I'm going to go to image model, protected dollar variable, image URL, and title. And then we have experience. Let's go back to the experience model, add the fields, go back to the experience model, protected dollar variable, and separate them by comma like this. We have the experience tasks, so title and descriptions. Let's look over this again. Experience, tasks, and descriptions. Title and descriptions. I think this is gonna be fine. So let's go back. Experience, tasks, available, title, and description. Education is done. Project, that is done. Now let's add the relationship. So experience has many tasks. This is kind of the relationship between them. So relationship has many and tasks, experience, tasks model, and also I guess we have to add the IDs. So whenever you are adding a task, you have to add that task to a specific experience you get. So dollar column table origin ID, experience ID constraint, and delete cascade as well. Cascade and delete. And then let's configure them in the relationship. Here we're going to provide the experience ID in the variable, and maybe we can add belongs to relationship, belongs to experience model. As we are following the Laravel convention, so we don't need to pass the 2 parameters, and the same here as well. Experience task model has many relationship with this method. Okay, so I guess this is all about the fillable properties and relationship stuff. In the next video, we are gonna move on to creating the integrating the template actually. So this is gonna be interesting. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.